Hello guys, this is Farhan again with another live forex trading video for you guys. Currently I'm in a EURAUD sell trade according to my secret market scanner. EURAUD was sell for the day and I took this sell trade on my client's account. So currently I'm up $190 and I'm about to take the profit. So let me just close the trade. So this trade was placed on several of my clients' account and I made around $491 for the day for this particular client, including my silver trades, which you can see in my previous video. So this client started with $2,000 and in single day today only his account is up more than $491 and overall his account is now sitting at $3,757. So this is how I trade for my clients. They make money automatically without doing any hard work. All the hard work is done by myself. So let me show you why I took this trade. According to my secret market scanner, EURAUD was sell for the day, and if you go to the shorter time frame, there was a pure breakout in the EURAUD and I took a small scalp trade which worked very well and I took the profit. So yeah, this is how I trade for my clients and this is how my secret market scanner works. So if you want to trade yourself using my secret market scanner, you can grab the copy of your scanner by emailing us at support@FxChildsplaySignals.com. Or if you want to make money automatically and you want me to trade your account on your behalf and make consistent profits for you, then you can join my free Telegram channel and send me a message there. You can find the link in the description. So that's it for this video. I really appreciate if you smash the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel, as it will motivate me to make more videos for you guys. Thank you very much and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.